Good evening to all of you. My name is Zankesh Shukla and welcome back again your channel Origin. So how are you all of you? Very long time ago I dropped a video of quadratic equation and right now I am coming back again after 1 month. So last 1 month I think 1 month 2 month more because the last video is June. Then after I will today start. So I will try because always I am trying but this time I will try update approx in week 3 video lectures continuously. So please guys make a support our class Origin online class. So we start today's topic definite integration indefinite. So today start in integration. Integration. You know very well integration have 3 portion. First portion indefinite, second portion definite, and third portion is area. First portion indefinite integration, second portion definite integration, third portion area. It is the first point. So integration have 3 portion. First portion indefinite integration, second portion definite integration, third portion is area. Okay, now second point. Why integration? Indefinite integration. Why integration? Definite integration. So this is the biggest question of students. Sir, why integration is in definite form? Why integration in definite form? So this is the reason I am taking a one question like a not like a just a example, but before example I will discuss the second point. Synonyms means many time question not ask for integrate this question. हमेशा नहीं पूछेगा आपसे कि integrate this question. Integration have many names. First name antiderivative. And second name is very rare name. Many time students understand antiderivative. Okay, because integration is a reverse process of derivative. So we can understand antiderivative, it means integration. But second name, it is the first name, but second name primitive. Second name is primitive. It is a very difficult for a student. Antiderivative okay, but primitive is very rarely named. So कई बार ऐसा होता है कि बच्चों के सामने ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ जाता है जिसमें पूछते हैं कि फाइंड द इंटीग्रेशन, नो फाइंड द एंटीडेरिवेटिव, फाइंड द प्रिमिटिव ऑफ. ओके, सो थर्ड पॉइंट. नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट थर्ड पॉइंट. ओके, you know very well name is antiderivative. It means integration is the reverse process of differentiation. It means we take an example. We define differentiation dy dx of fx plus c. Okay, we differentiation of dy dx of fx plus c. Okay, you know very well when you differentiation, so we get fx, and in differentiation of 0, differentiation of c, it means constant. Differentiation of c, it means constant. 0, it means 0. So if dy dx of fx plus c is fx. Now integrate fx. Now integrate of fx dx. So when you integrate this, so you get answer I don't know, answer like a okay, integrate px and plus c. So what is c? C is a constant. Rarely c is a constant. It means any student says sir c is 1 2 3. Oh yeah, c is 1 2 -1 -2 -3. इसका मतलब है कि c कुछ भी हो सकता है. c can everything. It means c belongs to r. It means c is a variable point. Someone says sir समझा नहीं मैं ये चीज. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, समझाता हूं मैं तुम्हें. This sign is represent integration sign. fx is integral and px is integrand. It is a integral integral, and it is a integrand. Okay, and C is arbitrary constant. C is arbitrary constant, any real value. So C is arbitrary constant, any real value. Fx dx, fx is integral, this is a integration sign and it is a integrand. Actually integration कहाँ से आया है? Actually integration is a form of summation. Integration is a form of summation. In physics many time you using this type loop. Loop means many objects in variable point, summation of many variables. So use integration, use sigma, and in variable integration sign sigma convert into integration sign. Okay, so point number 3 is the introduction. Fx plus c, d by dx of fx plus 0. So fx dx integration, so you get px plus c. Okay. Fx plus c. So this is a integral, integrand, and c is a belongs to our arbitrary constant, any real value. Clear or not? So c is a arbitrary constant and c is always fixed. For different type questions. Okay, point number 4, sir, what is indefinite integration? Sir, what is indefinite integration? Nice question. What is indefinite integration? Actually, C different values. C can take different values. It means C is not defined. It means C is indefinite. Every time. How? इसका आंसर छुपा है 4th point पे. How? What is the indefinite integration? Okay, I am taking a integration. Just an example, x dx. Okay. So integration of x dx, x square by 2 plus c. Okay, x square by 2 plus c. Okay, we talk about integration sign fx c, not talk about dx. So talk in point number 5 what is dx, but literally discuss point number 4 what is the indefinite integration. So x dx taking x square by 2 plus c. Okay, when I'm making the graph x dx, integration of x ds, we make the graph x square by 2 plus c. Why? Because both are same. Okay, now making the graph this. Okay, literally हमने क्या let कर लिया कि c नहीं है यहाँ पे. I'm making the graph like this. This is a parabola. Y is equal to x square by 2 like a parabola. It means c value is 0. The value of c is 0. If put 1, so graph shift 1 point. When we take plus 1 more, it means 2. Graph again shift 1 point. Clear or not? Again put 1, it means 3. Graph again. Clear or not? Now graph minus 1, so it means graph downside of y axis, negative side. Again minus 1, it means minus 2. Clear or not? So it means integration, when you do integration of x square by 2, when you integration x dx, so you change the value of c. When you change the value of c, curve every time shift on y axis. Y axis, or when curve shift every time y axis, but curve nature always same. It means all graph are parabola. यहाँ पे जो जितने भी ग्राफ आपको दिख रहे हैं वो सारे के सारे पैराबोला. All graphs are represent parabola. So now make a line. Now draw a line. So when you draw a line intersect each parabola. Look, when line intersect each parabola and this point is a point of tangent, make a tangent. So when you make a tangent, all tangents are parallel. When tangents are parallel, then slopes are equal. It means all curve with one family. It means what is the indefinite integration? Indefinite integration means family of curve. curve, family of curve. Or for this nature, this is a why this is nature, because of C, because of C always change. When C change, curve shift. So this is curve shift, not curve change. Shift the curve. Clear or not? Clear or not? When you change it, like in a home, at home, you change the direction of your fridge. So when you shift fridge from kitchen to dining hall, okay, so when you shift the fridge your kitchen to dining hall, so fridge change the position, not fridge make a washing machine, not fridge make a almirah. Okay, so there is very literally, you know, family of curve. Integration always represent family of curve. Clear everyone? Okay, now point number 5. Point number 5, integration fx dx. Integration of fx dx. What is the dx? What is the dx? Okay, I want to say something of you. Fx plus c. Dx, the work of dx. The work of dx. It means differentiation with respect to x. It means differentiation with respect to x. So same integration with respect to x. Integration with respect to x. Clear or not? Integration with respect to x. Like one example, I am taking one example. Sin x dx. And we know integration of sin x minus cos x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Okay. Okay. Now I am taking one more question. Sin a and dx. Sin a and dx. Okay. Sin x dx minus cos x plus c. Sin a dx. Now there is dx and sin a is a, sin a is the angle of sine, and dx means different integration with respect to x. So sin a integration dx, so sin a is a constant, sin a like a constant. It means sin a outside from integration sign. So 1 into dx, 1 into dx. So sin a integration of x plus c. I think clear. So this is the 5 or 6 point of integration are very important for basic integration. And I want to say everyone, please look every point. If you not understand anything, comment section, go in comment section and do comment, sir, please read this topic again, read this theory, read again, sir. You can say anything in comment box, no problem. So now indefinite integration, definite integration, area. So in first position indefinite integration, then after we will start definite and area. So definite integration, you know basic rule. Basic rule is very important, that like what is indefinite integration? It means family of curve. It means family of curve. I think so. This is a sufficient point for integration. For next lecture we discuss about formula of integration. Next lecture we will discuss about formula of integration. So tab tak ke liye thank you so much all of you, and please subscribe my channel, like the video and share with your friends which are in board CBSE start of integration. Very helpful for everyone. Thank you so much guys. Jai Shri Ram.